This will be one of the latest arrivals from Music Man. I believe these will be the first new Music Mans we've gotten in 2022. Another new arrival from Music Man. One other new arrival from Music Man today. And this will be another arrival from the Fender Custom Shop from earlier today. Ah, very nice white lightning over a two-tone sunburst. And this is one of the latest arrivals from Fender today. Very cool. From the Fender dealer event of earlier this year.
It's really light too, which is really cool.
Yeah. There's also a Masterbuilt.
Let's go listen to the Masterbuilt, shall we? Put this through the Voxy click channel on this divided by 13 with 6V6 tubes. Let's kind of hear what that sounds like.